has finally come. The iPhone 12 Pro is here and in my hands. I still cannot get over the fact that it is literally 5K in my hands right now. But you know, it's fine. Okay, hi, I'm Kay and today I am gonna be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. I literally just got back from the Apple store like 2 hours ago. So for me, I am gonna explain how I got the phone like real quick. It is different for every country, so I am in Malaysia, so this is how it's like. But I think other countries have definitely gotten the phone as well. Malaysia is one of the late ones, but anyway, the pre-order started last Friday, which I'll put out the date here, and it started at 9 p.m. and you could pre-order it from the Apple official site and like a bunch of other websites. Today is 1 week later. Today is Friday the 13th of November and I just had to go to the store and wait and collect my phone. It was, let me pull up the price. I will put up like the conversions and the like official price by Apple and stuff, but I got it for 4,899 ringgit, and I'll put up how much is that in USD. I got it in the 128 gig, which is like the starting gig. Okay, I don't need that much storage, but that is what I got. So I got it from the machine store, as I said, so I just picked it up and we are going to unbox it. I literally have been procrastinating opening it. I don't know why. It's like I'm excited but at the same time I don't want to open it. I don't know. But disclaimer, like every other YouTuber and every other video has, is that no, I am not trying to like show off what I got and stuff. This is literally because of my academic achievements, and literally I am still using an iPhone 7, which like the phone case, it is broken, but it has been good to me. But now when it decided to upgrade to iOS 14, it is slow and it doesn't work anymore. So along with the phone, I got this 𝗦𝗔𝗙 phone case. I will link it in the description. I got it from Lazada, so I'll link it down below. This is it. I really like the blue. I am happy that I chose the blue. On camera, it looks much brighter than it actually is in real life, but I'm glad I chose the blue. It came in 4 colors: the white, graphite, the gold, and the blue. I do not want to bore you guys, so I'm literally just going to go through quickly the specs. So it is 6.1 inches. It is a super retina display. I don't know what that means. It is 5G, which was the highlight of the Apple event. So it has 3 cameras. It has the ultra wide, the wide, and the telephoto, which is the main difference between the 12 and the 12 Pro. The last change, which was like the major change in this phone, was that it has MagSafe, which is basically like a wireless charging thing. However, I did not get the charger. The charger was 179 ringgit and I do not have that kind of money. So the box is definitely thinner than the other iPhones. This is because they took away the power plug. But what cable did it come with? It came with the USB-C to the Lightning. I don't have a USB-C adapter because all of them was just from the USB to the Lightning adapters. So I saw the memes when it came out, is that it is a iPhone 11 in the body of an iPhone 5, which is like the remix. But It beats this phone. So this is my crusty iPhone 7, and then this is the new phone. It is much bigger. Not really, actually. There's not much of a size difference, so it's not really about that. Let's just turn it on and hope this goes to plan. Ah! Okay, it works. I thought you had to charge it. Okay. Once I powered on the phone and set up the language and country I am in, it brings me to this quick start page, which tells me to bring my current phone or iPad close to this phone so it can set up faster. I move seats. You can literally see all my setups, but it's literally cancelled for the second time. So I am gonna try plugging my charger into my old phone. Maybe it's because that my phone... Okay, whatever. I have to erase my phone. I have to erase it and start over. So that's nice. It's erasing right now. So another time. I literally hate doing this. It's going again. We have to do it again. It's so annoying. I hate this. Here's a time lapse of me as I scream at a phone because it's not working and I need it to work because I want to use my new phone. This is the 4th time I am setting this shit up. This is the 4th time! God. It works! I hope. Okay, let's go. It's missing most of my apps, but you know, at least let's hope my photos... okay. My photos are there, so that's like the most important part. I really don't care about anything else, so whatever. I don't know how it worked, but it finally did. So I finally got it to work. It is now updated and everything I had on my old phone is on this new phone. It took like 1 hour. I'm not sure how long it took for the information to transfer from here to here because I was taking a big fat nap, but I think it was around 1 hour. After that, it had said on my old phone that the transfer was complete and everything was on this phone, which after the transfer is complete, the phone will reboot. But I think mine got stuck when it rebooted, so it literally took me an hour to figure out how to unfreeze this phone, but I got it. So the first look at the new phone is that definitely my background has been distorted because of the like size, the ratio. I am gonna set up the Face ID, which is a big change from my iPhone 7 to this phone, is that it has Face ID. This one only had Touch ID. The other thing I have to say, if you are transferring from your iOS 14 phone to this phone and you had the 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬 installed and you had all the little widgets that I had on my old phone, it will not be there on the new one and you have to do it again. That is completely fine. I mean, all my apps are visible when I search for it, the alphabetic order, but it's literally not there. Here, where is it? Okay, so I can open the apps, but I can't see the apps on the app library, so I don't know what the deal with that is. Oh, okay. My books are here, so that is great. I have all my books here, so that's all I need. The only problem is some of the app data isn't there. Let's check Instagram. Okay, I'm logged in. Ooh, okay, I literally just saw this. Ooh, Harry Styles. Yes, it is still screen recording. To screenshot, it's the power button and the volume up button. Okay, so the only problem is the app thing, but I will fix that and maybe put an update later. Last part of the video, which is my final review and my final thoughts on the phone. So the phone itself is kind of heavy compared to like the Samsung phones that my family owns. This is literally the heaviest phone, but it's also made of aluminium. The second thing I want to talk about is the color. The color on camera, it looks great, but actually in real life it doesn't even look blue. The sides maybe look blue, but it doesn't look blue, it looks black. Next thing I kind of hate, is that the sides are reflective. The sides are reflective. This is like so annoying to me because I'm a messy person, and the fingerprints, I'm not OCD, but it just annoys me. Other than that, I have the case with me. So this case I talked about earlier in the intro, I think, but it is a case from 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬. I will link it down. It was like 48 ringgit after the 11/11 discount. I didn't get the official Apple case because it's like 179 or something. That's just not for me. But this is the phone case. The reason I chose blue, I think blue was an excellent choice because when it's in a clear case, it's literally just your phone case and you don't need like a really cute case. I think the blue is a really cute color. And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review slash unboxing slash setup of this phone, even though it cost me so much stress setting up this phone. I finally got it, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and bye!